Tutorials by Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly use gradients with shapes, and in particular as a shape layer. Now I've got a shape layer here I've added. This one is using an arrow design that's from the Graphicxtras website, and what you can do then, just go to a layer, layer style and a gradient overlay. Now when you actually start that up, it doesn't actually show it much particularly, it's just got the default gradient, and you probably have a different selection of options here depending on which ones you can actually remove them, so you can just click on that and you can remove that, you can remove that one, and so on and so on. But there's the gradient one, that's the key one. Now what you can do then is just go here, you can modify the gradient, you can set gradient like that, just simply from the gradient preset picker drop down, and you can just select one of those. Now I'm just going to go for that one, but you can also modify various things like blending mode, how it will blend with internally with another gradient. I'm just going to show that in a sec. You can also modify the angle, obviously use radial, linear, so there's thousands of options just from a single gradient, and you can also move, modify interactively just over there as well. You can modify the scale and I say angle, that sort of thing. Okay, so you've got that. But what you can do, you can also obviously remove it, but you can add another one, or you can just there, or just click this little plus. So just want to click plus there, and the gradient will be applied exactly the same. So it's a duplicate. So you've just got a duplicate. What you can do then is just go there and change that. Now that one is clearly obviously is hidden. So what you want to do, if you want to actually, I'm just going to turn that into a radial design. So you can move that over there, and then I'm going to use lighten, and you can see the design. So you can literally create thousands of combinations from the gradient, just create a lovely sort of design there. And again, you can modify various things, angle, change that option as well. And of course you can add more than that. You can just click that, click, 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 and add loads and loads of gradients. Also combine it with things like color overlay and other things as well. Also there's options such as for gradients as well. You can use the inner glow and outer glow, and if you want to add, obviously you can't see outer glow there now, so outer glow, just quickly go down here and just got a little FX and just say outer glow, and that uses gradients as well. Also the stroke uses gradient. I'm not going to show the stroke, but there's the stroke, that's got gradients as well. And gradient here, you can just select this one here, so that can be combined, and then you can modify the spread. So you can just see the gradient there. Now obviously it's not particularly brilliant gradient there, so what you can do if you want a more colourful one, just go there and select that. And again you modify the opacity as well as change normal and so on and so on, like that. Also you can use contour to create different from the same gradient. Literally thousands of different colour designs can create it. All use precise, modify the spread and size, you can reduce that down again like that. And it's all live, so you can come back, so you click there and it's still live. So you go, just quickly go to, if you want to change it, just go to the window and layers, and you can see there you've got the gradient overlay. You can just stop that as well, click there and change it like that, and just double click on there and modify. And again you can use one like that, and you can see again different designs can be there. So while you've got that selected, you can move that around like that. Click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.